Guys, kain tayo. Andito tayo sa Kebab Pizza on Queen. Dito lang yan sa Campbelltown. At kita nyo naman guys, first time kong kumain ng kebab. Hindi ko maalala kung kumain na ako nito dati, pero parang ngayon ko lang naalala na first time ko. Ito naman guys, kita nyo ang serving nila, napakalaki. Napakadami. Itong in-order ni Mahal is maliit lang siya ha. Small lang yan.
Snack.
Small snack, ha? Small snack. Pero kita nyo naman, sobrang dami. Dati sa chicken, tapos yung sa top, tapos sa ilalim is ano. Sa ilalim niya is sa fries.
Yeah.
And itong order ko is a plate. Kebab plate. Beef kebab plate. Kita nyo naman, oh, ang dami. Tapos meron pa siyang ganito, oh. Ano man tawag dito? What is this called? Fita?
Pita bread.
Ha?
Pita.
Pita bread, yes. So, kain po tayo. Kain. So, andito nga tayo sa Campbelltown kasi po tayo ay nag-visit noong apartment. Yan. So, after namin mag-visit, kami po ay nagutom at kakain na. So, kain tayo guys. Tikman na natin. Hindi ko alam kung paano to kainin. Bakit may ganito pa, oh? What is this for? For the
You put your meat on there if you
Hindi
want.
mo lang paano to kainin. So, baho.
Want some?
Amoy ano? I thought it's a beef.
It is beef.
Is it beef?
Yeah, it's beef, but very thinly sliced.
No, the smell is not beef.
No, that's for beef.
The
Yeah.
smell.
What does it smell?
Smells ano? It smells lamb. The smell. Ayoko pa naman ng lamb. Kasi sabi ko beef. So, isinuli ni Mahal kasi nga hindi nga ayaw ko nga ng lamb. Gusto ko beef, pero ang amoy talaga sobrang strong ng amoy niya. Natin.
It might be the marinade they put on it. Because they do marinate it.
Hindi talaga siya beef eh.
It didn't taste strong enough for lamb.
So anyway, that's right. Kainin natin to. Kasi ito in order natin.
I don't think they would give you lamb instead of beef because lamb's more expensive.
First time ko kumain ng kebab. So eto, tingnan na ano natin. Yung rice din nila. Medyo iba din yung rice, yung lasa ng rice. Sobrang strong ng lasa. Tapos yung beef nga, sobrang strong din. Sobrang strong talaga. Anyway, kainin natin to at ito ang isinerve sa atin. How about your chicken?
It's chicken. Good. It doesn't have a very strong beefy taste. It doesn't really taste like lamb either.
Ang ano kasi nung lasa, masyadong matapang. Ayoko nung...
Maybe it's goat.
Yung lasa niya, hindi siya ganun ka. Kaya ko na yung lasa, pero yung amoy. Naano ko sa amoy. Masarap yung sayo.
You want a bit of that? Yeah, have some.
Okay.
Spicy.
Spicy? Ah! Grabe ang hanghang nun sa kanya. Ang hanghang. So spicy.
Spicy.
Grabe.
I asked for chili sauce, so I got chili
Ang
sauce.
anghang ng kanyang chicken. Oh, grabe. Iba pa naman yung chili nila dito. Hindi ko lang kung mauubos ko itong pagkain ko. Kasi sobrang sobrang maanggo. Ay, maybe I cover my nose.
Is it the smell of lamb that you don't like?
Yes, I don't like the smell. It's very strong. Very strong taste. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam talaga kung maubos ko to.